What is going on, you guys? It is your boy Carboholics.
And your girl, Donuts and Pizza.
And today we are at Buffalo Wild Wings, guys, right behind us. And we are here to attempt or to crush the Blazing Wing Challenge, guys. Do you think I have it? Do you think Donuts and Pizza has it? Do you think I don't think Donuts and Pizza has it, guys. So maybe pray for me. No, I'm just kidding, guys. It doesn't matter. But we are gonna try to attempt it, both of us, guys. And let's see if we could crush it. I think it's 12 wings in 6 minutes of their Carolina Reaper spicy Blazing Wing. So come on in, guys, and let's see how we do.
And we're back.
Website to boost your business. You're just an ad away from 5-star fire talent. Hundreds of freelance for sales like representative. Head to Fiverr.com today and get something.
Don't even 1 minute. 1 minute down, they have about 3 wings finished, 4 wings maybe.
Tomorrow, starting at 8 on MTV. Joe, Tim, and Mark back with you live here on Sunday afternoon at Marvel Stadium in Melbourne, Victoria, Australia, as the Undisputed Lightweight World Championship is coming your
2
way.
minutes in, we've got 7 wings down.
And the American undefeated star, Devin Haney, as we welcome back into field level. And guys, I just want us to capture the scene that's happening behind us as the crowd continues to stream in. As they're saying, this is the biggest fight in Australian boxing history. As you see, we've shown you the great fans, but as we widen out, and you just look at the expanse of the field, because behind us is where you have the majority of the fans. And the way that Aussie Rules football is set up, the field widens out. It's much bigger than American football. It's much bigger than a traditional.
Y'all making me nervous.
Than what we saw at Wembley Stadium for Tyson Fury.
And I'm just recording.
Boxing, because of how intimate the dimensions of a ring are. There is no way as a professional fighter that you can prepare for this kind of atmosphere.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
And I say this because you're going to have all these streaming fans, 40-some of 50,000 fans streaming Cambos's name. And what's going to balance that is the fact that he is still the underdog. Can you believe that? You know, telling what your emotions in times like this is extremely important. He was on the road when he won the championship. He was on the road when he beat guys in their backyard. Now he's home. It's a different feeling. And if he controls his emotions,
Let's go, let's go! Come on now, come on now! Woo!
And has to retrieve his goal. It's a first. He feels the warning track under his feet.
Come on, girl, you got this!
One of them hits the batting and then kind of springs it into the net.
Let's go, baby. Two more wings.
60 seconds. You got 60 seconds.
And Turner is out, so 2 strikeouts in the inning. The Dodgers go in order in the first. We have this Dodger Stadium. That's right. Dodgers nothing.
Swallow it, just swallow it. 30 seconds, ready?
California was the last time you
Last 20 seconds.
Take the doors off. Have a turn on. That's why we built the new Ford Bronco family. Because something inside us needs to get away.
Yeah, that was awesome, you guys.
And we built the
Good
Bronco.
job.
Find your Bronco and see where it takes you. Come to your
Hell
California
yeah.
Ford dealers today to explore the Ford Bronco.
What you gotta say for your
Visit myfordnow.com to see available.
That's how we do it, guys. Carboholic family here to mess up that Buffalo Wild Wing Blazin Wing Challenge. Let's go. 4 minutes and 44 seconds for V and like 4 minutes for me, guys. We'll check the timeout right after I'm done recording this video. But we'll see you guys right back on that next challenge. And it was definitely spicy, guys. My mouth is on fire. My lips probably look like 3 times swollen. There's a tear right down my left eye, guys. I'm about to soak myself down in some whiskey. Y'all have a good day. Peace.